Good morning. It's Andrew Mazer from Small Business U. It's 6 a.m. and I've been up since 2 a.m. I think it's because this article was bugging me. Came out of this magazine, Independent Retailer. This magazine is put out by some fine people that I really appreciate and admire. But this article inside really bugged me because on the front cover, it says, brick and mortar stores fight back. And I'm like, I like that. I like the sounds of that. Brick and mortar stores. To me, that means, well, combined with independent retailer, this brick and mortar stores means like mom and pop retailers. Well, the very first sentence in this article, which is tough read, straight, a lot of text. The first line is, you need to really understand your customer, says Helena Folks, the president of CVS Pharmacy. Now, what good is this article to an independent retailer when it's coming from a mega corporation like, advice is coming from a major corporation like CVS? A total disconnect from Main Street America. Okay. Now it goes on to quote more mumbo jumbo about technology, stuff that's way beyond what any independent retailer would actually ever consider. I mean, this is a mistake. In my opinion, this article is a mistake for this magazine. And really what I want to talk about is words, not technology, words, old-fashioned service, customer interaction, relationships. Forget about all this mumbo jumbo. I'm a firm believer in online marketing and offline marketing and the combination between the two. But this article gets into stuff that's just like outrageous. And here's another line that really bugs me. Being accessible and identical on multiple platforms combined with constant disruption to benefit the customer and authenticity creates a recipe for success. What a bunch of crap. You know what works? Thank you. When I go into a place and the clerk collects my money and looks at me and it waits for me to say thank you to them, that really pisses me off. Okay? When I give money for a purchase, I'm supposed to receive the thanks. I'm supposed to say, you're welcome. They're supposed to say thank you, and they're supposed to do it with an appreciative smile. And if you're a business owner and you're not doing that, you're doing your customers a disservice. You're doing your own business a disservice. Furthermore, if you don't train your employees to say thank you when they ring up a sale, you're really breaking the rules of being a merchant. Okay? That's what I expected to see out of this brick and mortar stores fight back. You fight back with differentiation. And it's easy to be different today because so very few businesses actually say, thank you. It's nice to see you again. What's your name? I recognize you. You've been here before, haven't you? These are the things that create bonds. That's the only way Main Street America, independent retailers, restaurants, any independently owned business has got to forge good relationships, politeness, courtesy, thank you. It all starts with thank you. And these little niceties, genuine niceties, will get passed down the lane, and you will get referrals, and you will build a better business just by being nice and appreciative to your customers. Okay, so that's my rant. Maybe now I can go back to sleep or take a nap today now that I got this off my chest. Thanks for watching. I'm Andrew Mazer from Small Business University. Hope you enjoyed my rant. Sign up for my newsletter if you're not already a newsletter subscriber. smallbusinessu.org. Thanks for watching. See, I said thank you.